Hi guys, you're watching Beyond. We all know that there is something above us protecting us each and every time. I'm not speaking about the God this time, I am speaking about our ozone layer. This layer protects us from many health issues which may take place due to the sun, which sends the UV rays. Now let us speak about it. And does the ozone layer hole increase when we launch rockets? The study says that there is already a depletion in our ozone layer and it is over the Antarctica. And further, the size at its peak was almost equal to the size of Australia. Now, if we need to understand our question, first we need to understand how the depletion took place many years ago. In the late 80s, the technology we used to relay was not that developed. The ozone layer is a composition of 3 oxygen molecules, that is O3. Generally, the trees take in carbon dioxide and release oxygen, which then move up into the atmosphere. This then forms into O3, or also known as the ozone layer. But when we initially invented air conditioners, refrigerants and the medicine used for asthma inhalers, they all had one thing in common. They all released CFC, which is also known as chlorofluorocarbons. This chemical is a main culprit for the hole created in our ozone layer. The CFC chemical, when sent in atmosphere, it separates the combination of O3 and converts it into O2. However, the depletion of ozone has just taken place in Antarctica. This is because Antarctica is surrounded by oceans and it creates a circumpolar current which has a whirlpool-like effect on the air. This effect concentrates the CFC in the Antarctica during winter and when it is dark. When the CFC chemical reacts with the UV rays that produced by our sun, it produces a chemical which depletes the ozone layer. When we send rockets, it passes through our atmosphere by splitting the ozone layer. Since this layer is made up of air, it again covers up the area. But due to the combustion in the rockets, the layer may decrease in a minute range, which is very less. So the rockets doesn't cause a huge impact on ozone layer. Nowadays, the chemical used in the rockets while combustion and even the CFC producing materials are changed. This helps in protecting the ozone to an extent. A study says that whatever may be the chemical, but the rockets we send now has increased a lot. And if this continues, by 2050, the ozone layer depletion will increase again. This is because the chemicals that affects ozone will rise to a greater extent. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked this video, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that bell icon next to it to get instant notification whenever I release a new video. If you have any similar questions, do leave it in the comment section. And always remember to think big.